Alright, let us see this AIEEE 2010 problem, which says if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0, then you have to find the value of alpha raised to power 2009 plus beta raised to power 2009. Alright, this is a very simple problem. If you know how to solve this one, I mean this equation, if you know how to solve this one, it could become very easy. Let's see. If it is like, let's suppose this is the equation. First of all, I'd like to check whether you know the roots of this equation or not. This is x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. We know that the roots of this equation are x is equal to omega and omega square, which are basically the cube roots of unity. Alright, so now if I have to find the roots of this, so what you can do, you can just write it down like this: 1 plus minus under root d, which will come out to be what? B square minus 4ac, which will be 1 minus 4 upon 2. Alright, so this is equal to 1 plus minus iota will come because this is minus 3 root 3 by 2. So these are basically the roots of this equation. And what we know from here is that omega is equal to minus 1 plus minus iota root 3 by 2. So basically if we compare these two, this one and this one here, so x is equal to basically minus omega, alright, and omega square, because this is not omega, this is basically omega square slash omega. Alright, so we know that omega is equal to minus 1 plus iota root 3 by 2, and omega square is equal to minus 1, this is minus 1 minus iota root 3. So if I do like this, if I say that what will be the value of minus omega, so this will become 1 minus iota root 3 by 2, and what will this become? This will be, let's see, minus omega square will be equal to, again you will have 1, alright, and now will be plus iota root 3 by 2, and this is what I am getting over here. So that means x is equal to minus omega and minus omega square. So these two are the roots of this equation. So that means either alpha is equal to minus omega or your beta is equal to minus omega square. Alright, so these two possible, or you can say either of the way, like beta is equal to minus omega or alpha will be equal to minus omega square. Alright, so any of these possibilities can be there, but the answer will come out to be same because we require to find out their summation. So there is no problem as of now. So let's put these values. Now the question becomes very easy. If I assume this one, alpha is equal to minus omega and beta is equal to minus omega square, so that means this will become 2009, and what will be this value? Let's see, this will be minus omega square raised to power 2009. So this will be this value. So let's see now what will happen. This will be minus 1, because minus 1 raised, this can be written as like this. So I'm writing it down for those who do not know how this comes out. So this will be the thing, and plus minus 1 raised to power 2009 minus omega square, now this will be plus because minus have been taken outside. So this will be 2009. This is nothing but equal to, this will be minus 1 only, because it's a power of odd integer 2009. So this will be minus 1 only. Omega raised to power 2009. What is basically how we solve omega? We see for the factors of 3. We know omega cube is equal to 1. So the next big factor of 3 around about 2009, what it would be? You can just easily calculate that. That will be 2007. So this will become omega 2007 plus 2, and similarly here on it will be minus 1. This is plus minus 1 omega square. This will become what? If I open this bracket, so this will be 4018. Alright, so now I have to calculate this power. So now the nearest power that will be coming, which will be a factor of 3, will be 4017. Alright, so this can be written as 4017 plus 1. So we know how to solve this thing, and this will be omega square and plus minus, and this will come out to be omega. Alright, if this comes out to be omega, that implies if I take minus 1 common, so the things remaining inside will be omega plus omega square, and I know that omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1, so minus 1 into minus 1 would be equal to 1, and hence the answer would be B. This will be the correct answer. Okay, so this is how we solve this question. There are numerous methods to solve this kind of questions, but I suppose the easiest way to solve this is by using this property that the roots will be minus omega and minus omega square. Okay.